Graham Team's newest listing, 5407 Elba Bell Street, conveniently located near the Strip and Harry Reid International Airport. What is so great about this home is it's in a mature Las Vegas community with big trees, big lots, open spaces. Check out the mid-century modern entrance, which is really popular right now. This home has 3 great features that a lot of buyers want. Let's go check them out. Let's start with the next generation space. Perfect location for your next generation parent or grandparent to live with their own private quarters. They have their own living room, private bath and bedroom, so they can feel like they have their own private space. Also, check out this gorgeous backyard. It has a large pool with a great big spa. Let's check out the RV park. There is so much room for all your RVs, toys. You can build a shed, you can build a garage, you can have a she shed on one side and his workshop on the other. There's so much potential and room in this backyard. So as we mentioned, let's break down that 10X experience. We first started with the exterior, which is one of the most important components in this home. We started because the backyard was bare bones at that point in time, so we added some fresh new rock throughout this very large yard, both in the front and the back. We also trimmed all those really big trees, got them all fresh looking so they were all manicured. New rock, artificial turf, as new plants, and fixed the irrigation both front and back. So the total on the landscaping 10X was $8,700. So then we moved to the interior of the home where we added fresh new paint. We both painted the walls, ceilings, baseboards, doors, and trim, and the total paint experience was $4,030. We also added new carpet upstairs for $1,020. So the total 10X project on this home was $14,540, and the work was all accomplished within 5 days.